Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Coffee Talk English. I'm Alex, and I'm excited to spend another morning with all of you.
Good morning, Alex. How's your day starting?
Morning, Sarah. Honestly, a bit slow. I slept late finishing a presentation.
Oh no, another late night work mission?
Yeah, but I learned a couple of new business phrases, so not a total loss.
See, you always find something positive. Anyway, should we grab coffee first?
Absolutely. No English lesson starts without caffeine.
Same here. And happy Monday, by the way.
Happy Monday, the busiest day of the week.
True, but we'll get through it, one email at a time.
So, what's your plan today?
First, check emails, then go through the updated project plan. You?
Pretty much the same. I need to reply to some messages and prepare slides for our meeting.
Perfect. Let's talk about useful English for emails while we type.
So, Sarah, how do you usually start a professional email?
I usually write hi and the person's name, like, hi, Mark.
That's great. Hi, Maria, or hello, David works well and is friendly.
And what about dear? I see that in formal messages.
Exactly. Dear is more formal, good for clients, managers, or people you don't know well, like Dear Mr. Wilson or Dear Miss Chen.
So, hi equals friendly, dear equals formal. Got it.
Right. And what about if you don't know the person's name?
Maybe dear sir or madam?
Correct. Very formal, though. It's always better to use a name if possible. After the greeting, start with a polite opener, like, I hope you are doing well, or I hope you're having a nice day.
Oh, yes, I've seen that many times.
Then you go straight to your point. For example, Hi, Sarah. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to ask about the new schedule.
That sounds natural.
And how do we end emails?
I usually write thanks.
That works for friendly emails. For formal ones, you can use best regards, kind regards, or thank you.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Now, here's a common problem asking for something politely. Instead of saying, send me the file, say,
Could you please send me the file? Yes, that sounds so much nicer.
exactly, could you please? Or would you mind? Makes everything gentle.
So instead of check this report, I say, could you please check this report?
Perfect.
Thanks, Alex. You're like my built in English coach.
Just sharing my office survival skills.
Oh, speaking of emails, our manager just sent one.
What does it say?
It says, Team, please review the draft and share feedback by today. Regards, David.
Very clear. So I should reply, Hi, David. Thank you for sharing the draft. I'll review it and send feedback soon.
Exactly. Professional and simple.
Sometimes I think my emails sound too short.
Short is fine if they are polite and clear.
Okay. Can you check one of my drafts?
Sure.
It says, Hi, Tom. Send the report today. Thanks.
A little too direct. Try, Hi, Tom. Could you please send me the report today? Thank you.
Oh, yes. That sounds much friendlier.
Exactly. Could you please? Your magic workplace phrase.
Let's take a short coffee break.
Good idea. Sugar?
Just a little. Thanks. So, Sarah, how long have you been working here?
2.5 years. Time flies.
Wow. No wonder everyone knows you.
They're all nice. Sometimes I still get nervous speaking English, though.
That's totally normal. You don't need perfect English. Just be clear and friendly.
I'll try to speak more with coworkers then.
Great. Do you want some small talk phrases?
Yes, please.
You can ask, How was your weekend? Did you watch the match last night? Or how's your day going?
I usually just say good.
That works. Or you can say, Pretty good, not bad, or busy but good.
Busy but good. That fits my life.
And to keep conversations going, ask, and you? Or what are you working on today?
So if you say, "How's your morning?" I can reply, "It's good. I'm working on the report. How about you?"
Perfect.
Sometimes I just say hi and walk away because I don't know what to add.
Just add something simple, like, it's cold today, isn't it? Weather always works.
True. Everyone loves complaining about the weather.
Let's practice. Ready?
Sure.
Hi, Sarah.
Hey, Alex. How's your morning?
Pretty good. Just checking emails. You?
Busy but good.
See, we sound like real coworkers now.
Because we are.
Speaking of work, do you know how to write a polite reminder email?
Not really.
Just say, "Hi, name, just following up on my previous email. Could you please share an update when you have time?"
That's soft and polite.
Exactly. If it's urgent, say, "I wanted to check if you had a chance to look at my previous email. We need this by..."
Very helpful. I'll use that.
And for attachments, say, "Please find attached," or "I've attached the file for your reference."
Oh, I always wrote, "I send you the file."
Common mistake, but attached is the business English version. Want to try an example?
Sure. Hi, Alex. I hope you're having a good day. Please find attached the new file. Could you please review it? Thanks, Sarah.
Perfect.
All right. We have our team meeting in 10 minutes.
Oh, right. The Monday sync meeting. I get nervous.
Don't worry. Let's practice meeting English.
Okay.
When it's your turn, say, "I have an update on," or "Today I'd like to talk about."
To agree, I say, "I agree. That's a good point."
To disagree politely, "I see your point, but," or "I understand, however."
That sounds very professional.
If you don't understand something, "Sorry, could you repeat that?" or "Could you please speak a bit slower?"
Good. I always just nod even when I don't understand.
We all do that, but asking is better.
If you need to leave early, say, "Sorry, I have another meeting now," or "Sorry, I have to step out for another task."
Got it. Very clear.
See? We covered greetings, emails, reminders, small talk, and meetings, and it's still morning.
Busy but good.
Thank you for listening to Coffee Talk English. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sarah. Have a great Monday.